Good morning, class. My name is Prabhat Mani. I am your economics teacher. As you have know that there is a pandemic is just occurring in entire world, due to which entire classes or entire world is locked down in their home. In that conditions, we are just working in such a scenario that we have to increase our study from home. In that conditions, our school, MKT Public School, is just organizing a classes by which you can take a video and you will be studied by the help of that particular video. In for class 10, the first chapter of economics is development. That means what do you mean by development? Why it is necessary for a person? How could we see that a person is developing or not? There are three vital questions behind our development. That first of all, what do you mean by development? What do you mean by development? Second question. Why development is important for a person? Important for a person. Third, how should we calculate development of a person or a place? For a person or first of all, as we are studying development in broader sense, that means we are studying a part of macroeconomics where we deals the development of a country. In that conditions, we have to just initiate it from a particular student or particular girl or boy. In that conditions, development is defined that something which get progress in his life. That means if a person is walking through his food, then if he buy a cycle, this is a development for a normal people. And if a person is walking on his bike, he got a motorbike, that is shown the development for him. Meanwhile, the development is not a narrow word. It means how could you develop without destroying the natural thing or sustainable development. Take an example, development for a boy is just getting higher education and becoming a great person for his life. However, development for a woman or a girl who is belonging from a prosperous family have got such kind of freedom that he will be do what she will like to do. In that condition, we are just narrowing that development for a boy is for his future and for girls that is the freedom. In such conditions, for both of them, development is something better than his right now situation. In second question, why development is important for a person? If you are stagnant in your situations, that means you will be fixing your situations in that condition. You will not going to get progress in your life. Taking an example, medieval period of entire world. In that conditions, every country is just sleep and nothing development will be occurring, and you are not getting something better in your life. In that conditions, you are not getting the vital word of living being. That means if a person is a living being, then he must have to some development goals and he will fulfill from it. Taking an example from our day-to-day life, such as Sachin Tendulkar. If Sachin Tendulkar is a cricketer and he thinks that he is going to be a great student or a brighter scientist, then he will not focusing on his cricket bat. In that condition, his goal will be scattered. In that condition, he will not get success in his life, particular life. For that purpose, we are going to take an example of overall class. In our class, we have just seen that a student who is very good in study, meanwhile second student is very good in sports, however third student is very good in his health, and fifth, every and each student have their unique identity as well as their unique characteristics. In that condition, movie called Tare Zameen Pe, which is already happened. We have seen in our today in Bollywood movies, who just say that what you want to do, you have to do it just in better way. In that condition, how could we judge a country on the basis of development? And what are the criteria that we could know that our country is developing or not? For that conditions, we have just taken an example of GDP, that is gross domestic product. What do you mean by gross domestic product? I have already told you in class 9 that you have to just know that the total output or total income from goods and services which are produced in a country is known as GDP. What do you mean by GDP? There are two basic things we have to just study. First of all, GDP, gross domestic product. How to we calculate it? First of all, we have to just add the entire goods and services which are provided in a country. We will find the total GDP of a country. Right now, about 2 months, the GDP of India country is about $3 trillion. What do you mean by $3 trillion? You will get it some other way. However, the second one is GNP, gross national product. Rather than GDP, you have to add some money which Indian company or Indian persons who are earning outside from in India. In that conditions, you will be add to the GDP. You will got the gross national product. That means GDP plus foreign money earned by a person or a company of an India now. Development, is this a criteria how a country is developed? In that conditions, the GDP of America is $30 trillion, above $30 trillion. In that conditions, you will easily say that the most developed country is America. Not, that is not correctly right, because the most developed country in world is Norway, as the conditions of the people who lives in Norway is just high above the persons who lives in America. In that conditions, how could it will be possible? The entire thing will be done on the following criteria. First of all, for taking an example to compare two countries on the basis of their income as well as the workforce done for the people, we have to check out first of all the per capita income. Per capita income. What do you mean by per capita income? In Hindi, it is known as Prati Vyakti Aay. As the name suggests, you have to just calculate it by total GDP and total GDP by total population. You will got the term per capita income. In short, you have to know that if a country like India, where the total GDP is $3 trillion, then the total per capita income of a person will be 2500 rupees. In 2500 rupees, how much a person can do for survival of his life, and which kind of characteristics which are available, benefits which are given by the Indian government. These all things are done by the help of UNDP, United Nations Development Program. Have you heard about United Nations Development Program? What do you mean by United Nations Development Program? program. United Nations Development Program means how it is the governing body of the World Bank who just measuring the country on the basis of HDI ranking. HDRE ranking. What do you mean by HDI ranking? H is a stand for human, D is a stand for development, I is stand for index. Now you are just asking me a question. How could you say that Norway is more developed than America? In that conditions, we have to just clear some certain points in our life. First of all, the main questions for you, you have to just write down some questions for your homework. First of all, what do you mean by development? I have already written it and I have already told it. Second question, why development for a person is not development for the another one? That means एक व्यक्ति के विकास जो है दूसरे व्यक्ति के लिए विकास है या नहीं, ये क्यों? थर्ड क्वेश्चन, why different persons have different development goals? There are three questions which is just above for your homework. First question, I just repeat it. What do you mean by development? Why two persons have different development goals? And third, why development for one person is not development for another? I am just giving you some example of that, then you will given that particular answer. First of all, how could you say that development is different for development? Development is different for different people. First of all, if we are taking an example of Pariksha Pular, what is the development for him? Is that he got the enough money or enough work that he could make survival of his entire family. However, if it will be possible in monetary view or in monetary value, if he got a car, that will really show the development of a rickshaw puller. However, the development for the car owner is maybe how quickly he travel one place to another place by the help of plane or something else. In that conditions, what is the third question was why development for different peoples is not supported by another. If I am working on a bike, then the rate of pollution will be higher than other ones. In that conditions, for development, for my side, development is buying a bike is not developing for the entire country because I am just polluting the entire atmosphere. In that conditions, we have to develop ourselves in such a way that the entire country get benefited. In such, you have to just write the three questions.